how to update DirectX in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the start button, open up the run and type DXDIAG and press enter, and then press yes and wait for the window to load. Now in this window you should see at the bottom here the DirectX version is DirectX 12, which is the latest available version, which usually comes with Windows 11 or the latest Windows 10 if you have them already installed. And if you have a different version, to update it, you could simply go to the Windows Update by right-clicking on the Start button and then open up the Settings and then Windows Update and Security. And from here you can check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available update of Windows, and that will automatically bring updates for the DirectX support as well. And once you do that, make sure you also have the latest DirectX runtime installed. You can do that by opening your browser and then search for DirectX runtime. Click on the first Microsoft link, and from here select your language and click on the download button, and this should download an installer on your computer, which you can open up and accept the terms and run to install the DirectX runtime for your computer. And once you do that, you can simply restart your system and you should have the latest available DirectX version. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.